Math or mathematics is included in kindergarten with a vision to develop intellectual skills like problem solving, imaginative thinking, visualization, and reasoning. This video details Canadian kindergarten math curriculum. For the ease of explanation, in this video, math curriculum is divided into 4 units. In Unit 1, kids develop concrete idea of numbers. That means they understand the fact that numbers are used for counting and representation of a quantity. They also realizes each number have a number name and a numeric presentation for representing that number. By the end of kindergarten, they will be able to count forward from 1 to 30 and count backwards from 10 to 1. They can also relate number name to numeral and vice versa. That means if you say 7, they should be able to identify and write the number 7. Another teaching outcome for this unit is kids will be able to count and say how many objects are there in a group of up to 10 objects. They can also compare amounts up to 10 and say which number is more and which one is less. In the second unit, students are introduced to the concept of patterns. They will be able to identify, reproduce, and extend patterns. For creating patterns, attributes like action, sound, colors, size, shape, and orientation are used. Measurement activities provide opportunities for students to link their understanding of numbers and geometry. In the third unit, measurements and comparison, students develop intuitive notions for length, mass, and volume using direct comparison. They will be able to compare the attributes like height, weight, width, mass, and volume of two distinct objects and say which one is more and which one is less. In the last unit, shapes, students learn about two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures. They figure out the fundamental difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional objects, and they will be able to identify and name two-dimensional figures like triangle, square, rectangle, and circle, and three-dimensional objects like blocks, cylinder, cones, spheres, and pyramid.